Welcome children. Today we will do two words with K, L, M, N and O. We will do the drawing and we will write the words. We will start with K. Make a half circle from red line to red line. Like C. Make a circle in between first blue line and the second blue line. Make a straight line. Make another straight line and join these two lines. And do the drawing like this. What is this? Key. Go slanting, go back, come straight. Again go up, make half circle, come slanting, make a tail. Go slanting, making a loop, make a curve. Go, make U. Come down, making a loop, go up. K-E-Y, key. Now another drawing. Go slanting to the left, to the right. Now to the left, to the right. These are four slanting lines. Make a triangle and make a row. In between do like this. A small light curve. What is this? Kite. You can design also. Go slanting. Go back, come straight. Go up, make half curve, come slanting. Go slanting. Make straight line. Making a loop, making a slanting line, go up, come straight. Make a tail. Making a loop, make a curve. Put a dot on I and put a cross on T. K-I-T-E, kite. Now L. Make like U down, another U and make straight line on first blue line. Now from the first blue line up to the red line, make like this. Make a half circle, make straight line and put a small dots like this. What is this? Lock. Go slanting, go back, come straight. Make a tail. Using that tail, come down a little bit, go back, make a curve, make a circle. Go get inside and come out. Come down a little bit, make a curve, C, make a tail, using that tail, go slanting, go back, come straight, go up, making a curve, come slanting, make a tail, L-O-C-K, lock. Now, two straight lines, a small curve and make straight line. Again, come slanting a little bit and join this line. What is this? Leg. Go slanting, go back, come straight, make a tail. Using that tail, go slanting, making a loop, make a curve. Go slanting, come down a little bit, make a curve, touch the tip, come down, making a loop, go up. L-E-G, leg. Now M. Do like this from the red line to the first blue line. Make like U and like an ear. What is this? Mug. Go slanting a little bit, or you can say tail. Come straight. You touching that straight line, go up, make a heel. Touching that line, make another heel and make a tail. Using that tail, go up, make U. Come down, make a tail. Using that tail, go slanting and come down a little bit. Make a curve, touch that tip, making a loop, go up. M-U-G, mug. Now, make like this curve and another curve. What is this? Moon. Make a tail, small tail, come straight. Using that straight line, touching that straight line, make heel. Touching that line, make another heel and make a tail. Using that tail, come down a little bit, make a curve, make a circle, get inside and come out. Using that tail, again make another O. Get inside and come out. Make slanting, make straight line. Make touching that line, make a heel and make a tail. M-O-O-N, moon. Now N. Now what we are making, look at here. Two straight lines. One straight line at the top and another straight line at the second blue line. And make like that lines and cross these lines. What is this? Knit. Go slanting a little bit, make straight line, touching that straight line, make a heel and make a tail. Using that tail, making a loop, make a curve, make a tail, go up, come straight, make a tail and put a cross on T. N-E-T. Net. Now look at here, what am I making? Two lines like a small curve. Again, this curve will get inside and make a circle here. What is this? Knee. We write with the knee. Go slanting, come straight. Make a heel. Make a tail, make a tail. Using that tail, go up, come straight. Make a loop. Make a tail. Using that tail, go slanting, go back, come straight. Make U and make a tail. Don't make a loop here. यहाँ loop नहीं बनाना. And put a dot on I. N-I-B, knit. Now the last one, O. We will make owl. A broad U we will make. Now we will make a heart shape. We will make a heart shape. Now we will join here. Another line we will join here and put two circles. Now you can make a design here. What is this? Owl. Go slanting, come down a little bit, go back, make a curve and make a circle. Get inside, come out. Make 2U and make a tail. Using that tail, go up. Don't come down. From there only you have to go up. Make a loop and make straight line and make a tail. O-W-L, owl. Now, make a big circle from red line to red line. And put a like that and put a dot, 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 dot and put a cross. What is this? You eat it. Orange. Go slanting. Come down a little bit. Make a curve. Make a circle. Get inside and come out. From that tail, make U, make R. Come in between first blue line and the second blue line. Make a curve. Using that tail, come down a little bit. Make A. Again, go slanting, come straight. Using that straight line, make a heel. Make a tail. Using that tail, come down a little bit. Go back, make a curve, touch the tip. Come down up to the red line, making a loop, go up. Go slanting, making a loop, make a curve and make a tail. What is written here? O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Now again I will repeat. K. K for K-E-Y-E. K for K-I-T-E, kite. L for L-O-C-K, lock. L for L-E-G, leg. M for M-U-G, mug. M for M-O-O-L, moon. N for N-E-T, net. N-I-D, nib. O for O-W-L, owl. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. You have to write in copy and you have to make the drawing in your English copy. This is the homework. Thank you.